refresh and formatting marks. Let's take a quick look at the refresh and formatting mark options found on the quick taskbar. The refresh button is most useful for projects where multiple suppliers are making changes simultaneously. Changes made by one supplier are not automatically displayed in the other supplier's editor. If, for example, a translator and a proofreader are working at the same time, neither party will be notified if the other has changed anything within the document. One way to see these changes is to switch pages or close and reopen the document. This would become very tedious. This is why Wordbee integrated the refresh button to refresh the entire document when needed and make all changes visible. By clicking on the refresh button, you immediately see the changes made by all suppliers. You will also be able to see who made the changes by looking next to Modified by User. The formatting mark button fulfills the exact same functionality as in most other text processing softwares. When turned on, it will show formatting marks such as spaces and paragraphs.